Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the frustrating Maytag dryer error code F4E1 in 2025, you're in the right place. This error typically signals an issue with the dryer's moisture sensor or a communication problem between components, which can stop your dryer dead in its tracks. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through troubleshooting and fixing it step by step, so you can get back to your laundry routine without missing a beat. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your dryer from the power source before starting any repairs to avoid electrical hazards. Once that's done, let's dive into the possible causes. Error code F4E1 often pops up due to a faulty moisture sensor, lint buildup in the vents, or even a wiring issue. It's super common in Maytag models, especially if they've been running for a while without proper maintenance. Now, let's get hands-on with some troubleshooting steps. Start by cleaning out the lint filter and exhaust vent. Trust me, a clogged vent is a frequent culprit. Use a vacuum or a brush to remove any debris. Next, inspect the moisture sensor located inside the drum. It's usually a set of metal strips. Make sure they're not corroded or damaged. If they look okay, try resetting the dryer by pressing and holding the power button for 10 seconds, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. If that doesn't do the trick, you might need to check the wiring connections behind the control panel. This requires a bit more confidence. Gently remove the panel and look for any loose wires or signs of wear. Remember, if you're not comfortable with this, it's time to call in a professional technician to avoid causing more damage. To prevent this error in the future, make it a habit to clean your dryer regularly and avoid overloading it. Regular maintenance can extend your appliance's life and save you headaches down the road. There you have it. You've just tackled error code F4E1 like a pro. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.